silent on the valley and the ridge, as the station lights were fading by the old iron trestle bridge. Families waited shivering, their breath a silver stream, when the distant sound of a whistle echoed softly like a dream. Rolling from the darkness with her headlamp cutting white, came a weary steam locomotive on a long and frozen night. Her boiler hummed determinedly, her drivers groaned with strain, but she'd not abandon travelers waiting for the Christmas train. Through the storm, through the snow, let the iron heartbeat glow. She will climb and she will go on the last train home for Christmas, for the ones who long to see loved ones by the shining tree. She will fight relentlessly on the last train home for Christmas. She gathered up the passengers, cold hands and tired eyes, and the conductor called all aboard beneath the starless skies. The children pressed the windows, watching snowflakes dance and spin, while the old girl shook her firebox out, a journey to begin. The drifts were tall as fences and the grade was slick with ice, but the engine dug her heels in with a courage beyond price. Her stack blew sparks like fireflies against the frozen gloom, and the cab crew prayed she'd hold the rails as the storm began to boom. Through the storm, through the snow, let the iron heartbeat glow. She will climb and she will go on the last train home for Christmas, for the ones who long to see loved ones by the shining tree. She will fight relentlessly on the last train home for Christmas. Halfway up the mountain curve, the storm began to roar. The rails were slick with frozen wind they hadn't seen before. The engineer spoke calmly, "We'll take it slow and true," and the engine leaned in steadily as her iron heartbeat grew. Down the grade she drifted gently as the blizzard lost its roar, and the tiny lights of homesteads grew brighter more and more. The passengers began to cheer, their journey nearly past, for even the coldest winter storm could not defeat her last. Through the storm, through the snow, let the iron heartbeat glow. She brought everyone below on the last train home for Christmas, and the bells in town rang clear as she steamed in, drawing